Hello everybody, training on the Dr. SEBAGH Retinol Night Repair that has just arrived, 30 ml. Remember, retinol is the gold standard in anti-aging. It's the highest concentration of retinol that is available in cosmeceutical. Naturally, Dr. SEBAGH has the highest concentration. To begin with, retinol is photosensitive, so only at night, says Dr. SEBAGH. Also, you do not mix vitamin C into it. Vitamin C strictly for the day, as far as the vitamin C stable powder is concerned, and the retinol night at night. So retinol works on every single level of the skin. Firstly, on the epidermis, it sloughs off dead skin cells. So all debris and dead skin cells exfoliate away, which is why in the beginning, one might have a wee bit of redness or a little bit of flaking. This is normal. If there's too much of that, reduce your frequency of use. For people who are not accustomed to retinol, you will use it, let's say, twice a week, and you will increase the frequency as tolerance develops. For us old diehards, every night is absolutely perfect. So that's on the epidermal level. Deep dermal level, we're working on collagen elastin synthesis. Next, those cells within the cell, it's a cell structure within the cell called Langerhans cells, are responsible for the immunity of the skin. These are increased. The glycoaminoglycans, or GAGs, for intercellular communication is increased. The melanocyte that is unfortunately changing color and making pigmentation on the skin is healed, and no more pigmentation will occur. It balances the melanocytes. It stops inflammation. So people caused having flaring, even rosacea, retinol assists with this. Last but not least, it prohibits any breakdown in collagen and elastin synthesis. It does it all. Okay, then it has a compound of various oils. These are gorgeous and they're so lightweight, it's instantly absorbed. It's like real butter on the skin, okay? No heavy component. And this is rosehip, vitamin E, coconut, olive, and squalene. These restore, soothe, calm, and have an anti-inflammatory effect. Last but not least, I love this, there's something called crystal tears. It's a hydrolipidic compound that works together to detoxify your cells on a cellular level. So every night, retinol night repair, for those who can handle it, first on a clean, dry skin, let it sink in for a minute, moisturize on the top. For those who are trying it out for the first time, twice a week, we increase as time goes by. Fine lines, wrinkles, enlarged pores, redness, irritation, kiss it goodbye. Beautiful, youthful skin. Thanks to Dr. SEBAGH, Retinol Night Repair, and Metropolitain.